Hi guys, it's Megan Rose from the Philippines, and I've been taking videos about today's endeavor. It's August 17th, and I got the package from Miss Jan, and I wanted to make another video, so maybe I can pick from the ones that I did before a while ago. So she sent me some very many circular needles, and it's very exciting to have them because they are in different sizes. We have this very thin one, and they have this very thick one, and these ones are made of bamboo. They even smell like bamboo, and they are connected with a plastic tube. So I'm hoping to make a beanie out of them. So I've been wanting to have a 16 inches circular needle, but they are not available here. And Miss Jen, she sent a package last July, and it's only now that I got to the post office. I was browsing their logbook, and I wasn't hoping to see my name there, but it popped out. So I got it there today, and also along with those circular bamboo needles, she also gave me some different sizes, 43 centimeters, and it's also in different sizes like the crochet hooks that she gave me. So I'm hoping to make many kinds of beanies or hats out of them. And as if that was not enough, she also sent some yarn. She gave me yarn. This is neon green yarn. This one is like doopy that has some red speckles on it. Okay. It's a Pusha Pink one. She also gave me fun furs, eyelash yarns from Ice. And as you know, Miss Jan is very fond of fur yarns. And I was wondering why she gave me some. But maybe she wanted me to experience making maybe amigurumi hair from them. And I was thinking what I make with them. And I realized I'm hoping that I can make some amigurumi monsters out of them. Or maybe just for the hair. It's very nice. Thank you, Miss Jan. I have other videos, and I don't know what I'll pick from the videos I made, because some of them are with Sophie, some with just me, and I don't know if I can upload this because we don't have an internet yet. She also sent me two with the orange, very nice colored orange. And these are ice yarns. These are my first ice yarns. These are 100% polyester. And also, she gave me some of the orangey brown, autumn colored. I think I'm going to save the label. So that's it. I'm hoping you guys have a very fine day. It's afternoon here, it's getting dim. So I'm hoping that there's enough light. Thank you again, Miss Jan. You're really fabulous.